Loves, we definitely hit the jackpot. Lucky, lucky, cookie, cookie. Look at this. How cute is this? This is the ice cream lip gloss, blueberry scented. You know, when they put the stuff like in the ice cream cone or a cookie, you know, it really does it for me. It brings my inner child out, you know. Then they also have, let me just turn the camera around so you guys can see it. So, my loves, I heard you was looking for the Still Deal Trills for real. Got you covered. I'm going to deliver, you know, words to the mother and the prophet. Let's go. All right, my love. So, Dollar Tree is giving it up. Decor, beauty items, storage funds. Dollar Tree definitely has it. They are in the place to be. And, you know, I'm going to deliver because I am, you know, the fabulous MC. Let's go. Now, my loves, have you guys seen this? Listen. Now, if you're a coffee drinker, I wouldn't only say this is a coffee for coffee, but it does says on there a coffee dispenser. It has the lid, where though you could, you know, pour the coffee out, or it has the scooper. How cute is this for $1.50? Honey, child. And if you guys are looking for some men's boxer briefs, Dollar Tree definitely has them. The avocado. The donuts is like by far my favorite. And then they also have the hot tomato. What Dollar Tree trying to say with these, okay? They also have the dice. Oh, child, I like this. This is noise. They also have Papa. Then they also have the hipsters. Okay, so honey, you could just come get the boxes, you know, some hipsters for her. Or some boxes for him. You know, tomato. They also have Bob Ross over here, extra large. Oh, look at this. The Big League. Ooh, child. Big League. Okay. Out of here, original. This is the Big League Chew. I like these. I like. Peace, family. So today we are at the Dollar Tree in Bayonne, New Jersey. Check it out. Okay, they have some new Christmas items. Love this. All right, so when it comes to the kitchen towels, Dollar Tree said, you know what, we're in a place to be. You get what I'm saying? They have the Santa right here with the bag, okay, with the presents. They also have these oven mitts, 2 pot holders with Frosty. Honey, how cute is this? How cute is this? And then if you want the oven mitts to go with the pot holders, Dollar Tree said we deliver. And that's word to the mother and the brother. Now, Dollar Tree also have these kitchen towels over here as well. These items are $1.50. Now, one of the things I'm going to say about the oven mitt, honey, you better be quick when you're taking that food out. Dollar Tree also have these North Pole Christmas candy kitchen towels over here. These are really, really cute. Absolutely divine. And I'm definitely on time. Now, Dollar Tree also have this kitchen towel as well with the candy canes. Love this. Really, really cute. Oh, look at this one. I don't remember seeing this last year. The kitchen towel with gingerbread, the gingerbread man and Mrs. Ginger, sweet as Christmas cookies. I know that's right. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has the 4-foot PVC trees out right now. And these, my loves, I believe are $10. And look at this, the silicone spatula. Yeah, you better hush your mouth. These are $1.50. You get 2 pieces. They also have the Winter Wonderland over here. Nice. How about that? Now, if you lovelies are still looking for Christmas colors or just in general storage containers, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have these baskets over here. These are $1.50. I absolutely love these. They come in 2 different colors. They have the red and also the green. They also have these baskets down here. You know, it's really how the design is really, really cute. I absolutely love that. And then they also have the larger baskets down at the bottom. And these are $1.50 as well. If you guys are looking for Christmas cane decor, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. The tinsel decor. Now, these normally sell out quick, but honey, they still got 2 boxes left. Okay, so when it comes to these candles, all right, these candles, this one I believe is the pine. Yes, this is one fine pine. Smells divine. But let's just get another sniff and see, you know, because what I record, it smelled it good. Yes, definitely. I still feel like Holyfield. This smelled just like pine. These are $5. And then they also have these over here, the red candle. And this one is Joyful Palmerton. This just smell. They should have just called this cinnamon, okay? Because this smells just like cinnamon. $5. Now, if you guys are looking for some silicone ice trays, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got you covered. Look how cute this is with the penguins. Now, these are $1.50. They also have the candy canes over here, $1.50 as well. When you come in to get the silicone ice trays and you want a certain kind, like they have the candy cane one, and then they also have this one with the bells. You can ring my bell. Honey, don't hate on the voice. Now, Dollar Tree also have these mason jars down here, which are so cute. Absolutely love these. These are the green mason jars with the Christmas trees. And then they also have the red ones with the candy canes. Love this. They also have these mugs over here. I like these mugs. Come in 3 different colors, green, white, and also red. Now, lovelies, if you guys are looking for some Christmas tree decor pillows, Dollar Tree got you covered. These are $5. I believe. Honey, they don't have the price on here. You hear what I'm saying? So I believe these are $5. Holiday pillows with the Christmas tree. Ooh, these are so cute. My fave is definitely this one right here. I love this. You know, green is definitely my favorite color, but I love it because it has like the green and the red and the white. I like that. Now, they also have this Christmas tree pillow. Look at the little star. Okay, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has so many new items. They definitely got you covered. Check this out. Okay, so if you guys are looking for table runners, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. This is giving me Pottery Barn, all right, these table runners. Now, they also have these leaners over here as well. These leaners are $5, 5 or 7. Then they also have more table runners over here that says Joy. This one looks really good. I like this one. This is good. $5. And then they also have these Christmas decor signs over here that says Noel. I had a brother named Noel. And then they also have these metal yard stakes, candy canes. Those are cute. Alright, so if you guys are looking for double wall tumblers, Dollar Tree is in the place to be. They have these double wall tumblers that comes in 2 different colors. This is giving me Starbucks vibes without you breaking a bank. These are $5. Purple, and then they also have blue. Now, these are cute, the photo hanger lines. Different colors. You can put your pictures up here. These are $1.50. How cute these are. Now, when it comes to storage containers, Dollar Tree has so many different storage containers for very inexpensive, $1.50. And it comes in 2 different colors. So they have the gray, and then they also have the white. They also have these containers. So these containers are definitely new. Look at this. Wait, hold on, chill. What in the world? Hold on. Okay, honey, I had to figure this one on out. Okay, at first I was like, what in the world is going on with this? Chill. Okay, $1.50. Now, Dollar Tree also have stack 'em up empties. Is that supposed to say empties? Honey, I don't know. I mean, this look like it's in Spanish. But Dollar Tree has these stack 'em up trays. Well, containers over here. These are $1.50. Really good. If you guys are looking for some body washes, especially, you know, for theme, Dollar Tree definitely has it. This is the cinnamon pumpkin. This is $1.25. Pumpkinish. And then they also have the red velvet one. To me, you know, the scent, it doesn't last that long in my opinion, and that's just from me smelling it. Okay, you guys looking for some hair accessories? These bobby pins, honey, they deliver around $1.50. They also have these over here that says love. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this on. Loving you. Then they also have these 2-piece hair clips, $1.50, $1.25. If you guys are looking for some claw clips, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Look at the butterfly. Oh, child. This is cute. When it comes to the hair accessories, Dollar Tree definitely been delivering. You know, and that's word to the mother and the brother. This one is really, really cute. Look at the little pearls. That's nice. If you guys are a cat lover, Dollar Tree definitely has some claw clips for you. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink. They also have the white. They also have the orange. Now, they also has the strawberry scented lip gloss over here as well. Really, really cool. They also have this one, a cotton candy scented with the sprinkles. This is $1.25. Love this. And let's see this one. Oh, this is strawberry as well. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for wrap stickers, Dollar Tree definitely has them. This one is by far my favorite. They also have this one. Honey, these colors will definitely brighten you up. If the colors won't do it, I just don't know what would. Now, they also have these hearts over here as well with, look at this. This one is cute. $1.25. If you guys are looking for some press-ons, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Nail art tips. This is giving me Easter vibes for some reason. I guess because of the colors. Now, Dollar Tree also have the LA colors. This is a nail treatment. So they have the base top coat, the rapid dry top coat, and these are $1.25. If you guys are looking for some more lip balms or lip serums, Dollar Tree has these. This is the jelly gloss from LA Colors, grape scented. They also have the strawberry scent. Balms over here. This is watermelon. They also have the peach. And if you guys are looking for some lipstick, these lipsticks, when I tell you, are amazing. This is from Beauty Intuition, the sweet cocoa they have. And then they also have the juicy cherry. Absolutely love these. If you guys are looking for a liquid eyeliner, Dollar Tree has one from LA Colors. This is $1.25. But my fave is definitely the Precision Liquid Eyeliner from Marie Claire. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I haven't tried the LA Color one, but this one I have tried. Marie Claire stuff items normally is good. This is right here. Excellent. Now, Dollar Tree also have 100% pure honey. It says all natural, U.S. grade A. All right, $1.25. If you guys are looking for some water bottles, juice bottles, Dollar Tree definitely has them. BPA free, it says. They come in different colors, green, blue. They also have, ooh, this one is cute. I like this one. It's nice. I like this. Okay, I don't know if this is new. Look at this. Okay, the pepperoni, original, about 26 slices. Child, and you know, they must be just put this out, okay? Because, you know, they got like 2 boxes over here. Now, I don't know if I'm in Trader Joe's or what, honey. All right, the trail color tortilla strips Dollar Tree has. These are $1.25. All right, family, know in the comment section, what was your favorite items? Mine definitely was those boxers, the coffee dispenser. Really, really amazing. Absolutely loved it. And those pot holders, the Christmas theme, cute, cute, cute. With that being said, until next time, keep the vibe alive. Okay? I'll catch you guys on the next one.